I'm from New Zealand. This is the frozen ocean in Finland's archipelago. And apparently there's fish under here. This is my first time ice fishing. It was minus... I think it's safe. It was minus 27 this morning. Absolutely freezing. Tell me where this ice comes from, because that is madness. But the plan today is to try out some ice fishing, catch and cook a pike, light a fire on the ice here. I've got Viggo, who is Finnish. He's done this his whole life. He's going to teach me how to do it. Very excited. This is Viggo. He's from Finland, so he's going to tell me exactly what to do because I'm on dinner.
I'm making Lucas drill the holes right there.
Oh, here we go. Woo.
Only 2 more.
2 more. How did that?
1 more, let's go. Boom.
I think I've seen you do this.
I have faith in you. Give it a yoink. Oh. Oh, your hands, that's commitment.
Here we go.
Solid chunk of ice. Boom. Now you get the scooper. Under the fin. Yeah, boom. And then pull it through. And that's it.
All right. Okay.
Make a loop. Flip the bail as well.
Okay.
Now you're fishing. And now we have 15 more to do.
All right.
You ready? Let's go.
When a fish comes along and pulls it, bell goes up, we come running because we've hooked a fish. That's the theory. Let's give it a go. So we'll set up a fire in the middle of about 15 rods that were set up. We're just waiting for that bell to ding, and basically it's a sprint after that. See if we can set the hook in time. But we haven't caught a pike yet, so time to have something to eat before we cook that up.
Everyone else is slowly waking up as well.
The bell's going. Oh, he's on.
Bro, what the fuck is going on? Bro, it's
oh, what is going on here? It's messed up.
It's a good fish, I think. Professional. Break knife.
Oh, he's coming up.
A little bigger. Let him swim. Let's get him on the rock.
There you go.
Okay. Oh, here he comes.
Oh yeah, it's actually a pretty decent fish, bro. Oh, you feel those head shakes?
Woo!
Oh, fuck.
Woo! Huge fish. Too big to eat, so we're gonna release this guy. But there we go. Send him back. Woo! The bell's rung. He's taking line.
Yeah, buddy.
Here we go. He's on.
Yeah, yeah.
He's coming.
Yeah, buddy. Oh, he picked up some seagrass, bro. Oh, yes.
Yeah. Woo!
Nice fish.
Beautiful. Got a really special way of cooking this up today, so I'm excited to see it. All right, pike cooked up, traditional Finnish style. Let's give it a try. Oh.
What?
Oh, we're just waiting for those bells.
Which one? There's a rod?
You heard one?
Right here.
Yeah, I heard.
Yeah, there. Let's go. I'll keep in the video.
Let's go.
Good off. Yeah.
Oh, he ate the bait. All right, take two. Just cooked this up over the fire. Dude, that's good. Super smoky. Good. Damn. Absolutely crazy day. First time ice fishing. It's absolutely nuts. Definitely recommend coming to Finland. Looking forward to more adventures soon. Woo!